This easy to run and very profitable business operates in the building repair industry, offering economic solutions to builders and renovators for chipped or damaged vanities and bathtubs. It is a very easy to operate business and offers a new owner very flexible working arrangements. This is a low overhead business which can be operated by one person full-time and easily run from a car boot, station wagon or similar. The business has a good database of clients and a great reputation in the industry with very little competition. The current owner will ensure a smooth transition to a new owner and do what he can to ensure continued ongoing success of the business. We often get asked for this type of business, and here it is. It is an owner-operated business with minimal overheads and the opportunity to further promote and grow the business. It is currently Sydney-based, but could expand regionally and interstate if you so wish. The current owner is relocating due to other work commitments and now offers this great opportunity to a new owner. The asking price for this business is $125,000, including some stock and tooling required to operate the business. To inquire about this business, call Xcllusive on 02 9817 3331 or visit us at xclusive.com.au.